Hello, I'm going to talk to you today about Salmon PDM, a new application from Salmon Technologies. PDM stands for Personal Data Management. This application will help organize our digital lives in so much as we'll be able to put all of our electronic records in one location. We'll be able to scan paper files to very specific places of our directory structure. Massive growth in paperwork and diversity of information that we have been asked to store, covering ourselves and our dependents, say our children or elderly parents. We don't now have the option of just putting everything into My Documents. We don't have the option of just dumping all of our letters and paperwork into a small area. We need to be able to get at it really quickly. We want to start scanning stuff and being able to get at it instantly and securely from anywhere. So Salmon PDM is a cloud-based subscription service that creates a directory structure personalized to the user's life, either as an individual, couple, or family, which includes several dependents. So once the data is put, your data is put into your directory structure, you'll then be able to control it. You'll be able to access it instantly from your smartphone, tablet, or PC. This is just a quick example. Note that we will be asking for information like your family name, your car type, an overview. Don't give us the full address, but something that will differentiate it from, say, if you have multiple houses, just a shortened version of the address. The names of your dependents, your pets, that sort of thing. An example, fictitious family here, Pierce and Sarah, and they've 4 dependents, 2 children, 2 elderly parents. They've 4 homes in different locations around the world. They've a couple of cars, a motorbike, and a pet. Once the model is deployed, then you can access it via in this case, the iPhone app, Salmon PDM. So he wants to manage something on his Honda car. So clicks on the icon, then goes in, edits directly, adds the information, putting all of the specifics that are needed, then hit submit, and that data is now stored safely again on your Dropbox or your Google Drive. In Ireland here we need to have, there's a national car testing regime where each car has to be tested every couple of years. We have when you follow through the links through the car running costs, the NCT, there is a URL link. You click that, you get to the website. You then go through, once you get the cert for the car, we use typically any scanner that can save a picture onto a Dropbox or a cloud drive location. We use Genius Scan. We're promoting that currently. You then take a picture of the NCT cert and save it in the correct location within your model. All of your family's legal documents should also be photographed and are scanned and saved in the family legal documents location. This is an example of quickly getting to a picture of the passport. Local property tax within Ireland, you go to family money. Under that you go to yearly renewals and tax, go to local property tax, and there's an area for each of the assets. Then within that you create, you can put your local property tax information, and you can click on the URL to get to that particular URL within the government website. All of this is running on a web service, which you can get through any browser. And this is an example of how the dashboard would look on your browser as opposed to that last example of your smartphone. We also have a Windows application that can create icons on your PC, in your Windows PC. For example, here those exact same icons we can then push onto the desktop. Then when you click on the car, you're able to jump into the synced area of the Dropbox and edit your car details. So give it a go. It's free for one model, so hopefully it'll work for you. Okay, thank you. Bye.